Hey guys, welcome to another video. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to replace the oil cap on your 2009 Toyota Yaris. This goes for 2007 to 2012 models, but this particular oil cap fits any Toyota, Lexus, and Scion models. These plastic ones, a lot of people don't know or neglect. This little inexpensive piece could cost thousands of dollars over damage to your engine. And the reason is because when your car's running, it becomes pressurized. And that pressure, especially on these plastic ones, it would put a lot of stress on it. And over time, it would crack, break, or even come off. That's why with the aluminum one, these are made to withstand high amounts of pressure. You could get this one in particular for 20 bucks, and the plastic one OEM is like 50 to 60 depending where you get it from. So always check your oil cap, make sure it ain't broken. A bad oil cap cause low oil pressure, oil pressure loss, bad fuel economy, and also air could come through it. I put a more descriptive information about each one I just mentioned. That way I ain't making the video too long. So thank you guys for watching. See you on the next one.